These are going to be very simple ingredients. I have 1 pound of grass-fed ground beef. This is 80% lean, 20% fat. 1 tablespoon of beef bouillon, sea salt, pepper, chives. These are dry. Make sure you mix everything before you make your patties. With the little bit of hamburger I had left over, I decided to do 2 half-pound burgers. These are 80% lean, 20% fat, so they are going to shrink up a bit. Before I put my burgers in my pan, I'm going to get these started. These are deli-style wedges. They're seasoned potatoes. Potato wedges. I'm going to put these in my toaster oven. Toss these in a bit of olive oil. Add a little bit of salt and pepper, and you're good to go. Lightly salt them. And pepper. Add some rosemary. When the burger actually seals on the bottom, I will tuck some of this underneath it. Season my mayo up. You can season however you like, actually. But for this, I feel this combination of ingredients, and it's really simple, it gives it just a little bit of zest. I'm just going to eyeball it and add my mayo. I don't need that much because this is just for me. If you're making more, just adjust it to your liking and your needs. A squeeze of some lime, some pepper, salt. I like to add a bit of zest. I should have actually did this before I sliced it in half, but you know what? I had everything prepped and ready to go. Either way, you still get your zest. Give this a mix and set it aside in the refrigerator. Move the rosemary around a bit. Just get all that goodness and infuse that pan with all that rosemary. Lightly salt and pepper this side. You could do it this way, or you could use a kitchen brush. This is aged blue cheese. I crumbled it up myself. Just going to set this on top and let that cook a bit. I did lower my heat. I have it on a medium-low. I'm going to go ahead and let these continue to cook until they're fully cooked. So these are sesame seed brioche buns. Add some of this mayo. Adding the mayo to both sides. This is all I'm adding as far as whatever sauces or condiments I'm going to use, because I don't want anything to overpower the taste of the blue cheese and the rosemary. Baby spinach. If you prefer kale or lettuce, add whatever you like. Sliced purple onion. I like it raw. It just adds a nice flavor for the blue cheese and the rosemary, but you could grill yours or saute them in the pan if you like. However you like your onions, go for it. Vine ripened tomato. I always season my tomatoes and whatever vegetables I'm adding to my hamburger, cheeseburger, whatever you're doing. Just a bit, not too much. And having the rosemary, the fresh rosemary with the stems, it does kind of discolor the burgers because the stems kind of change the oil and the fat in the pan, so that's why it's a bit dark. If you love you some cheeseburgers, try this blue cheese rosemary cheeseburger out. You're gonna love it. Simple ingredients, delicious. It doesn't get better than that. Try this out, and I'll see you in my next video.